Okay, number 2. A loan requires monthly payment of 3,500 for 5 years at 9% compounded monthly. Find the present value of the loan. So we are given payment are equal to 3,500. Time is equal to 5 years. And that is small letter T. Our interest rate I, 9% compounded monthly. Number of periods, small letter N. That is 5 times 12 is equal to 60. So we are given the present value of the annuity, PBA. So PBA is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Our I is 0.09 over 12, which is 0.0075. Substituting the values, then we have the present value of the annuity is 159,229 pesos. Number 3. 2,000 pesos is deposited quarterly for 10 years into an account earning 5% compounded quarterly. Find the future value. So we're given payment are 2,000 pesos. The time small letter T is 10 years. The interest rate I is 5% compounded quarterly. The number of periods N is equal to 10 times 4 is equal to 40. So we are required to determine the future value, FBA. So our T here, our I is 0.05 over 4. And that is 0.0125. The future value of our annuity then is equal to 2,000 times 1.0125 raised to 40 minus 1 over 0.0125. Then therefore, the future value is 110,000 peso, 110,110 pesos. Number 4. A company sets aside 100,000 annually for 12 years in a fund earning 7% compounded annually. Find the accumulated amount. So we're given payment R is equal to 100,000. The time T is 12 years. The interest rate I is 7% compounded annually. And the number of periods N is equal to 12. We are asked to determine the future value of the annuity, FBA. So, the formula that we are going to use is FB is equals to P times 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 over 0.07. And then, substituting the given data, we have the final answer. The accumulated amount is 1,768,900 pesos. Number 5. A car loan requires 15,000 pesos at the end of each month for 4 years at 10% compounded monthly. Find the present value. Our payment R is 15,000. And then time is 4 years. The interest rate I is 10% compounded monthly. So our number of periods N is 4 years times 12 months per 1 year. It's equal to 48. We are required to determine the present value of the annuity PBA. So first, determine the value of I. The value of I is 0.10 over 12, which is 0.00083333. And then use the formula for our present value of the annuity. That is equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Substituting the given and the calculated data, the final answer, the present value is 583,680 pesos. Number 6. How much must be deposited each quarter for 6 years to accumulate 500,000 at 12% compounded quarterly? So we are given our target future value, 500,000 pesos. The number of years T is 6. The interest rate I is 12% compounded quarterly. And then we have number of years, that's 6 times 4, that's equal to 24. Then therefore, our quarterly deposit R is being asked. So, our I is 0.10 over, that should be over 4 because it's quarterly. And that's not over 12. So use the formula PB. It's equal to principal IDR times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Take note that in our solution as presented on the board, I should be correctly computed by dividing 0.10 by 4 quarterly. And then the final answer will be the present value is the one that you can calculate upon recomputing the value of I. So I hope you understand what to do about this problem number 6. Number 7. A student borrows 120,000 pesos payable in equal monthly payments for 3 years at 8% compounded monthly. Find the monthly payment. So the loan present value PB is 120,000. The number of years T is 3. And then the interest rate I is 8% compounded monthly. The number of periods is N equal to T times 3 times 12, 36. So N is equals to T times M. Our M is 12 because it's monthly. And then the monthly payment R is being asked. So our solution, computing our I is 0.08 divided by 12. And then to get the value of R is equal to PB times T times I over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N. Take note that the formula was derived using algebraic manipulation. We call it cross multiplication from the PB formula. And then, after substituting the given data, the final answer, the monthly payment is 3,760 pesos and 36 centavos. Number 8. A machine is leased for 20,000 per quarter for 9 years at 10% compounded quarterly. Determine the present value. So, our payment R is 20,000 per quarter. So, number of years, 9. Interest rate I, 10% compounded quarterly. So, number of years I, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. The present value of the lease. So, our solution, I is equals to 0.10 divided by 4. And then our PB formula is equal to R times 1 plus I raised to negative N over I. Substituting the given data, the final answer, the present value is 471,125 pesos and 2 cents. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 3.